A great resume is more than just a list of information, it's a story about you and your career. Here are some valuable tips to help you create a winning CV. Use strong action verbs. Instead of saying worked on a project, say led a team to successfully complete a project. This helps to create a dynamic impression and highlights your leadership skills. Quantify your achievements. Use metrics and numbers to demonstrate your impact. For example, instead of saying increased sales, say increased sales by 25%. This helps to give concrete evidence of your accomplishments. Tailor your CV to each job application. Highlight the skills and experiences most relevant to the specific job, and include keywords from the job posting. Proofread carefully. Typos and grammatical errors can make a negative impression. Make sure to review your CV multiple times for any mistakes. Ensure consistency throughout. Make sure your summary, work experience, and skills section all align and support each other. This will help to create a cohesive and compelling narrative. Use these tips to create a winning CV, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the free tools in the description.